Welcome to this video tour of VedaX Studio, the analytics platform that lets you turn your data into answers. Connect your data, ask questions in plain English, and get dashboards, insights, and reports in minutes. No SQL or analyst required. VedaX Studio acts as your own data analyst, built directly into your data. Simply ask questions in everyday language, get instant answers with the right charts, and save your work as reusable, live dashboards. This platform is designed for everyone: store owners, marketers, founders, and analysts alike. If you can ask a question, you can use VedaX. No technical skills are needed to get the business insights you need. Getting started is simple in 3 steps. First, connect your data source. Second, ask your question. Third, act on the insights. It takes you from raw data to a decision in under 5 minutes. Bring in the data you already use. VedaX connects directly to your tools like Google Sheets, Shopify, Stripe, and more. No ETL pipelines or engineers necessary. Your data remains yours with read-only access. With VedaX Buddy, you can ask anything in plain English. Get answers as charts, drill deeper with follow-up questions, and peek at the SQL query whenever you want. It works across every data source you've connected. Experience the wow moment with auto dashboards. Once you connect your data, VedaX automatically detects key metrics and builds a starter dashboard for you, saving you from blank canvases or manual chart building. The Data Explorer allows you to poke around your data yourself. Point and click to filter by dates, numbers, or text, create one-click charts, and save custom views you use often, without needing to write a single query. Build and share dashboards easily. Pin any chart or KPI to a live dashboard, arrange your widgets, and share a secure link with your team. It provides one home for your numbers, replacing scattered spreadsheets. Use the AI Report Builder to describe a specific report in words, or upload your existing Excel or CSV template. VedaX will faithfully rebuild it using your live data, which you can then save, schedule, or turn into a dashboard. Let the numbers come to you. Schedule reports to arrive in your inbox daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also set smart alerts that ping you the moment a metric jumps or drops, ensuring everyone stays informed automatically. For those who live in spreadsheets, VedaX Smartsheet brings AI analysis directly to your existing Google Sheets. Turn rows and columns into insights without leaving your sheet or exporting your data. VedaX offers proactive insights, not just dashboards. It watches your data for forecasts, goal progress, and anomalies, bringing potential issues or wins directly to your attention so you don't have to hunt for them. Start free and grow when you're ready. VedaX offers various plans, from a free community edition to professional and enterprise levels. Every paid plan includes a free trial, so you can explore the features. You are just 3 steps from your first insight. Sign up for free, connect your data, and ask your first question. Start your free trial today by visiting VedaXstudio.com. Thank you for watching this overview of VedaX Studio. We hope this video helps you get started on your path to better data insights. Visit our website to learn more or to start your free trial today.